Who says you can't have cream pasta and lose weight? Yes, you can. Make this high-protein, cheesy, 130-calorie Alfredo sauce. It's a super easy blend and heat sauce that only uses 6 simple ingredients, perfect for weekday meals. It's ultra creamy and cheesy. This recipe makes 3 servings of sauce. Each serving is 130 calories and has 13 grams of protein. This recipe is easy to double if you need leftovers or need to feed a larger group. Classic Alfredo sauce is made with cream and butter, not offering much protein. Only 4 grams for half a cup of sauce. As I always mention, protein will help you keep fuller longer, helping you with your healthy weight loss goals. You can add extra protein with pre-cooked chicken breast or rotisserie chicken, or you can pair this with a high protein and high fiber bean pasta like banza. A tip to make bean pasta taste less beany is to rinse it under cold water for about a minute after it's cooked. For 3 tips on how to eat pasta and lose weight, check out my video on this topic here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below. Today I want to taste test the Alfredo. Cottage cheese Alfredo.
It smells cheesy. Oh, it's pretty good. Very creamy. Has good cheesiness. Tastes like Alfredo. Yeah, you can taste the Parmesan and did you put garlic in it?
Garlic powder, yeah.
That smells pretty good.
Thanks.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes for healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.